I've got a feeling like last night wasn't such a good night, 'cause my head really doesn't feel right. And goddamn it, the sun is too bright. My leg is bleeding, and my clothes smell like they might ignite. And I guess at some point I stole a kite, and my girlfriend and I had a huge fight.
My brain's on fire, drink way too much, swallow an Advil, then throw it up. Can't find my cell phone, oh there it is. It's in the toaster, 12 messages?
I know you ignored my call, 'cause you made out with Karen, the lie Rachel saw. I hate you, don't call me a sad sack of shit. By the way, to get even, I showed him like my text.
Shit. So that was bad, I messed up. But Karen Patrick, damn, that girl's hot. This must be her, well done, monsieur. Oh, Karen Black, I'm gonna throw up again.
Like today's gonna be a long day. Gotta wish Mickey D's had a buffet. And I increasingly think I broke my leg, 'cause I can't feel it. And I vaguely remember a slight fray. Holy crap, it's my mom, what do I say? 'Cause I can't let her take my car away.
Last night was fun, I studied hard, I wrote an essay about the bars. Went to bed early, I'm eating right. Another call, Mom, I love you too. Hey Pumpkin Bear, I messed up, I drank tequila.
What the hell?
It f***ed me up. I love you, Gina.
Karen Black?
I made mistakes.
Woo!
Wait, I did what? Now I remember again. I caught Mike, threw a punch, thought that he dropped. He got up, grabbed a bat, too drunk to block. Hit my leg really hard, blacked out from shock.